And I don't think any herb walk is complete unless we talk about dandelion. Dandelion, tooth of the lion, Taraxacum officinale, one of my favorite herbs, plants, even though it is common. And this is a great angle. Look at this angle. You can see the onion grass waving. Here's some Speedwell. And then we got the dandelions. So right now, dandelions are flowering. In fact, some of them, where is that seed? Some of them are seeding, as this one is. So it's a little bit late to pick the leaves to eat in salad because they do get much more bitter once the plant is flowering. So here's the leaf. I would do it anyway because I am pretty good with bitters. I did just pick, with the help of some friends and my kids, 2 giant bowls of dandelion flowers to turn into dandelion tea and to dry. I love having dandelion flower for tea in the winter, but we had some fresh tea. So the flower is not as powerful a tonic as the leaf or the root, which is obviously in the ground. I'm not going to dig that up. But the flower does still have properties, if I would talk about the chakras, for opening up solar plexus chakra and the organs associated with that part of the body. Like I would call them like pre-digestive parts of the body that secrete bile and juices and get things flowing. And it's a spring cleaner. It's an herb that you get your body prepped for summertime. So it's so beautiful right now. I'm just going to scan, and maybe you can hear the bird song and the wind, and I'm just gonna have a moment here where you can just relax. Let's do a minute. I hope it's not too boring for you.